Good day everyone. So for today's discussion, I will be discussing all about mathematics. And yun, meron tayong 6 questions here. So the first question is, what is mathematics? Where did mathematics start or originate? When do we use mathematics? Why do we need to study mathematics? How can mathematics affect your college life? Who is the father of mathematics? So, the first question, sagutan muna natin yung first question na what is mathematics? So, mathematics is science and study of quantity, structure, space, and change. Mathematicians look for patterns, create conjectures, and prove ideas using logical reasoning based on axioms and definitions. In simple terms, math is the study of numbers and how they relate to each other and to the real world. Today, mathematics is an essential tool used in many fields such as natural science, engineering, medicine, and social science. So, the second question, where did mathematics originate? So, mathematics began in ancient civilizations, mainly in Mesopotamia, particularly in Sumer and Babylonia, and in Egypt around 3000 to 2000 BC. It developed because people needed it for administration, agriculture, construction, and record keeping. So, kung matatandaan nyo po noong panahon nung sa mga Egyptian, nagtataka tayo paano ba nila nabuo yung mga pyramid na yon. So, meron po tayong mga specific na ginamit ng mga Egyptian noon para mabuo po yun. So, parang meron silang calculation about doon. So, yung parang mga formula na ginamit nila doon, paano nila nabuo yung pyramid. And the Sumerians created multiplication tables on clay tablets while Egyptians used geometry to measure land and build pyramids. Gaya nga po nung sinabi natin kanina. So, sa third po, when do we use mathematics? Mathematics is a foundational tool used to measure, analyze, and understand the world. We use mathematics or we use math in everyday activities such as budgeting money, cooking measurements, telling time, and navigation. And to relate naman po sa aking course na physical education, mahalaga din po yung math kasi doon ma-measure natin yung ating BMI, about sa pag-exercise natin, yung time, tapos sa pag-burn ng calories, kailangan natin siya. Nagagamit din natin yung math. So, it also powers modern technology, engineering, and scientific research through modeling and data analysis. Mathematics helps in logical thinking, risk assessment, and solving complex systems. So, fourth question naman, why do we need to study mathematics? So, we study mathematics to develop critical thinking, logical reasoning, and problem-solving skills. So, yun nga po, example po, nung sa yung question is, bakit kailangan natin mag-study ng mathematics? So, example natin dyan, yung kaninang sinabi ko po about sa physical education. So, hindi tayo makakapag-solve ng ating BMI kung hindi rin po tayo marunong sa mga basic calculation. And also, yun nga po, sa pagbaburn ng calories, kailangan alam din natin yung mga basic calculation. So, napaka-importante po na aralin natin ang mathematics. And yun, sa pagbabudget ng pera, sobrang importante po niyan kasi kung hindi po tayo marunong mag-calculate, mas mabilis po tayong maloloko. Halimbawa sa sukle, mali na pala yung sinukli sa'yo, hindi mo nabilang, so tayo din po yung kawawa. So, importante ang math sa lahat ng larangan or sa araw-araw nating pamumuhay. So, these skills helps us handle daily situations and prepare us for careers in science, engineering, and finance. Mathematics is also a universal language used to understand and model the world. From managing personal finances to explaining natural phenomena, math trains the mind to identify problems, organize thoughts, and evaluate solutions logically. And the fifth question, how mathematics affects college life? Mathematics shapes college learning by strengthening analytical skill across different subjects and improving consistent problem-solving abilities. Students also learn data analysis and modeling use in fields like biology and computer science. However, math anxiety can negatively affect academic performance and create tension for some students. So dito, relate din po ako na once na nagkakaroon tayo ng halimbawa nagkaroon tayo ng idea na magkakaroon tayo ng subject na math, meron po na katulad ko, kinakabahan po ako kasi hindi po ako ganun kahusay sa math, pero willing naman po ako matuto. So yun yung mga some challenges na nai-experience ng ibang students tungkol sa math, like nag-overthink na agad sila na hindi nila kaya kasi mahirap yung math, ganun po. Ako naman po ay aminado din. So malaking impact siya sa college life ko kasi medyo hirap po ako sa subject na ito. Pero yun nga po, gaya ng sabi ko, willing naman po akong matuto. And hindi lang naman po negative ang pwedeng maging epekto ng math sa college life. For me naman, meron naman din pong positive effect ito sa ating college life. Gaya po ng sabi ko, sa kurso ko, importante rin po ang math kasi po marami din po kaming mga kailangang calculation, yun sa BMI, sa speed, sa pag-ehersisyo, sa burning calories. So, talagang magagamit po natin ang math, lalo na sa kurso na aking kinuha na physical education. So, sa last question po, who is the father of mathematics? So, one of the earliest known mathematicians, si Archimedes or Archimedes, born in 287 BC in Syracuse, Sicily, or Syracuse, Sicily. He was a Greek mathematician, physicist or engineer, inventor, and astronomer. He studied in Alexandria, Egypt, and became widely recognized for his major contributions to mathematics and science. So, sa kabuuan po, mathematics is not only about numbers, it is a universal tool that helps us understand patterns, solve problems, and make decisions in everyday life and professional fields. So, yun lang po sa aking report. Thank you po sa nanood.